Do you want to know how you can log into your read.ai account? If yes, then this video is especially for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your read.ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Read AI Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official login portal where you can log in using your Google, Zoom, WebEx, Windows or Slack account. Or else if you don't want to do this and want to sign in using your email and password, you can click on this link where you can write down your Gmail address, your password and then click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in to your read.ai account. You can hide or unhide the password anytime you want by clicking on this icon, and if in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password. If you want to skip this and want to log in using your Google account or these, go ahead and click on one of these and it will lead you to this portal where you can select your Google account, click continue to sign in with read.ai account, and in a while you can notice that you have been logged into your read.ai account. So go ahead and click on the calendar, go ahead and give access to read.ai again, click select all, click continue again, and then there you go. This is how you create an account and log into read.ai. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.